Ha! What's up, busters? The bug catcher here today, and I'm smoking trees and catching butterfrees. And y'all see what we doing. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what I got cooked up for y'all today. We about to run the fade through Jodo. That's what we doing, y'all. Please subscribe. Hit the like button. We are getting it in. No, I don't need no explanation. See what we got going on. Put the fast forward on for y'all busters. Come on, y'all. Oh, wait. Should I read this? My name is Professor Oak, Sheen. But everyone calls me the Pokemon Professor Sheen. Yeah, Sheen. That's what we going with, y'all. That's what we going with. Before we go any further, Sheen, I'd like to tell you a few things you should know about this world, see? That I run it, see? I'm the man around these parts, see? God, he has a lot. This world is widely inhabited by creatures known as Pokemon. Where did that accent come from, huh? Alright, look, that's how he gonna sound, but we're gonna skip this little part, right, y'all? Come on. I'm the bug catcher. I'm the bug catcher, baby. Let's see, we already know. Y'all should already know. Comment y'all's favorite games below. TBC, baby. Yeah, that's me. Your very own tale of grand adventure is about to unfold, see? Man, see? Man. That's the voice I want for him, y'all. So look how he's standing with his hand in his pocket, hand out like, give me your money, she. Before I reach in my pocket and stick you up, she. That's just that's the vibe I'm getting. Dreams, adventure, see? Let's get out to the world of Pokemon, see? It'll come to me. Hell yeah, y'all. Let's look at the fast forward speed. Let's see. I ain't got no mail. I ain't got no hoes, y'all. No bitches, chat. Hi, TBC, baby. You're finally awake. Your friend Lyra is just here. She was playing hide and seek with her mirror. Oh, I almost forgot. Our acquaintance, Professor M, was looking for you. He said he had a favor to ask you. You know where the lab is, right, baby? Right next door? Right next door to us, baby. By the way, you have everything you need to go out, hon? That's how she talking country. This is your trainer card, sweet cheeks. Here you can save a record of your progress. These are also rather helpful. Just try touching the buttons, and you'll know what to do in no time. Thanks, Mom. Fucking bitch ass nigga. Uh-oh, the Meryl. The Meryl. I hate the mom in this game, trying to stick you up for your money. Look at him. Let me find out you already broke in and got you a Pokemon. Let me find out. Hold on. How is he gonna talk, y'all? Hold on. Hi, TBC, baby. I've been waiting for you. Do you know anything about my research? As you know, Pokemon are carried in Pokeballs these days. But before the Pokeball was invented, people used to walk with Pokemon. Just like your friend Lyra does. Pokeballs are great because you can carry many Pokemon. But walking with Pokemon must have some advantages. It could have something to do with how Pokemon grow or evolve. So I'm going to give you a Pokemon. Can you walk beside this Pokemon outside of his Pokeball to see if this brings any special feelings or bonds between Pokemon and people? The device over there has some Pokemon you could choose from. Oh, hey, I got an email. Uh-huh. Okay, Bustbag. Hey, listen, Buster. I have this acquaintance that people call Mr. Pokemon. He keeps finding weird things and raving about his discoveries. Anyway, I just got an email from him saying that this time it's real. It's probably another Pokemon egg, but we're still so busy with our Pokemon research. Wait, I know. You can go on our place, right? You can choose one of the Pokemon over there. Well, let me pick then. All that talking. Now, I know y'all saw the title, chat. I know y'all saw the title, chat. What did y'all think? What did y'all think was gonna happen? You see the mascot. I guess Silver did steal somebody. But he swapped it. That's what you think's in there? But look, Elm, you gotta get your shit together, dog. Y'all wanna nickname it? We're about to get it in. Everybody, bust bags. What is his name, y'all? It's a girl. You know what? We'll come back to a nickname, right? Fuck it. Yeah, fuck it. How do you like walking with your Pokemon? It's not bad, is it? Got a lot of dialogue, but right when this shit's over, bro, and we can get into the meat and potatoes, and we can get into the meat and potatoes of the matter, y'all know it's up. Y'all know it's up. Mr. Pokemon goes everywhere and finds rarities. His house is past Cherry Grove City. Go north a little past Cherry Grove. I'm counting on you, TBC, baby. I got you, boss. What is it? Alright, thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. We're getting it in, y'all. Now, this is going to be like a mono bug run? Probably not. So you picked a ladybug? Yeah, she's shook. That's a cute Pokemon you have. When you walk with it, it'll become more friendly. Alright, I can't read all of this, y'all, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try, chat. Listen, ladybug. Hold on, let me talk to you. Listen. You looking right in my eyes, I'm looking right in yours. We're gonna run the fade, alright? Me and you together. Running the fade. Let's get it in, y'all. What did she tell me to do? He must have, I guess Silver got Chikorita before we could intervene. I see, that sounds a little difficult, but when someone makes that kind of important request of you, Buster, it must be important. Oh, that's right. I completely forgot, because I hate your guts. And I can't wait for you to leave. Your Pokegear came back from the repair shop. Here you go. Yeah, give me that. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. What's y'all's favorite game, Chad? Let me know. Look, if y'all think Chikorita has a hard time, wait till we get it in. Yeah, I know how to make a phone call, Mom. It's 2025. Just select one to give him or her a call. Yeah, this is the boring part of the game, so we can skip some of this, right? Let's get it in. Who are you? Yeah, be jealous. Be jealous of my ladybug. Bitch. What does he want? Here, I'll give you my number. Man, I don't want your number, dog. I don't want the PS4 stick. I don't want your number. This ain't about, like, I ain't got nothing to say to him.
Come on, y'all. Who we running into first? I'm about to show y'all what Ladybug's really about. Come on. See, they're scared. They know the trouble's afoot. They know trouble's afoot. They don't even want a box. Oh. Does he know pick? I didn't even check my... Oh, yeah, he's washed. Hoot ain't got shit on me. Give me that. Give me that. This is a one-of-a-kind ladybug. One of a kind. Crittin. Where did he get this from? I don't know. How did Silver swap before I even had a chance to bust in? I seen him standing there. Yeah, squash that. Yeah, Hoot, you better go back to sleep, buddy. Come on, give me that EXP. Nom 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 that shit, boy. Man, this is my phone. Probably, you know, every game, every video I make, y'all, I tell y'all, Sword and Shield's my favorite. Really Fire Red, Leaf Green, but I put these games on. And it's like, bruh, this is... Like, we're probably gonna steal Buddy Shuckle and not give it back, right? Y'all know what I'm saying? Like, you can do there's a lot of freedom in this game. And I'm here for it. I'm really about to get immersed with y'all. Hope y'all hop on this ride with me. Hit that subscribe button while we exterminate the Hoot race. Come on. Oh, don't be missing, bro. That's what we're not gonna do is miss. Look at me all you want. You know, you would think like he would just stay using tackle or even growl. Like, what benefit? And I know it's like the AI of the game, but what really benefits? I guess it's a wild Pokemon, right? He don't know what the fuck he's doing. I was really hoping for a Let's Go Johto. Okay, maybe we're not gonna exterminate the all the hoo-hoos, cause I ain't doing enough. Boy, this how Faulkner's gonna be? Starting to rethink the run already. Man, let's get these hoo-hoos down. I wonder what kind of shit they give off. Leave a comment on what they give off. The IVs or the EVs. I forget which one right now. But I would like to know, because I'm going to probably do a lot of damage. You know how Kabu is in the Galar Mines training against water types? That's what I'm doing. I'm training against... We're getting a feel. I can't even... That just made me grit my teeth a little. You're a rookie trainer, aren't you? You little fuckhead. I can tell. That's okay. Everyone is a rookie at some point. If you'd like, I can teach you a few things. Don't even... okay, then follow me. He didn't even let me answer, y'all. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot that you weren't wearing the running shoes. I'll try to go as slow as possible. So try to keep up. I feel like I fucked that up. This is the Pokemon Center, young man. They heal your Pokemon in no time at all. You'll be relying on them a lot. So you better learn about them. This is a Pokemon, young man. That's what he likes to say, I guess. They sell Pokeballs for catching wild Pokemon. And other useful items. Sorry, the dementia was kicking in. Route 30 is out this way. Trainers will be battling with the Pokemon there. If you go a little further, you'll see Mr. Pokemon's house. I feel like his voice changed again, bro. This is the Sea Whippersnapper, as you can see. Oh. He got bars? Some Pokemon are only found in the water.
Here, it's my house. I think I gotta check the mailbox. For your effort keeping up with me, I give you a pair of my only shoes. While they're still warm, boy. I've been sweating all night. Got it, don't I? Got you, didn't I? Or got I, didn't you? Or maybe I got me and you got you, but maybe the ladybug has him. Don't worry, these are brand new.
Yeah, come on, give me that. Give me that. I don't need to read.
It also says, hold the B button down, player.
No, well, to sprint. You forgot that part. He said it as he was as he was walking in, he yelled it. That dude there. When you're with your Pokemon, going anywhere is fun. Yeah, I know. That's why N's stupid, because I agree with him. But I can't say nothing back. Pokemon gain experience in battle and change form. That's how he talks. I don't want to talk to her. Bro, wait. If I thought the Hoot Hoots were bad, I don't even know who his starter is. I'm guessing, I just said Chikorita. Because that's who wasn't there. Oh, shit. What if he had Cyndaquil? Oh, wait. Ha! I didn't even see. Hey, it be like that sometimes.
Boy, I made it. I forgot about one thing, that damn dementia. This is another token from me. Take it. The guy Gint loaded the map card.
I didn't get a chance to read all that. But I got the town map, baby.
Select the Pokegear on the touch screen and then select the town map icon. You'll see the map of the region you're currently in.
See? If you never played this before, they just hinted that you go to Kanto.
You'll see the region, boy. The Pokegear becomes more useful as you add cards. I wish you luck on your journey.
Thanks. Thank you. Come on. I swear if it's a Hoot Hoot. I mean, really. I guess they want the smoke after all. Level 4. This is like head honcho hooch. Come on. He can't play with me. Top-notch ladybug. Come on. Yeah, you better growl because I'm coming. Come on, ladybug. Finish this off, man. Finish this off. Scary. Running the fade with the Hoot Hoots, y'all. Level 6. Good shit. I'm going to need all of that for that rival fight. I can tell y'all that. Spider bites. Oh my. I don't have Pokeballs, huh? I can't do it. I can't hurt you. Can I get some? Boy, I'm fast. Dang. They're probably waiting on Lyra to give you the Dang. Man, that makes the bug catcher's bacon sizzle, bro. I could have had a whole spinner rack. I like his fit, y'all. Yeah, I run fast. Call me Usain Catcher. Don't. Don't leave a comment calling me that. What games y'all playing, chat? Let me know in the comment below. What y'all been playing? Have y'all subscribed? Trash. Oh, but I get attacked. I thought I hit back up. Okay. Okay. I'm about to show y'all what this top percentage ladybug can do. Come on. I kept smashing A, didn't I? That's alright, y'all. Look at that. My bad. Oh, what was I worried about? You're nothing, meatball. Nothing. Just another notch on the belt. You must be... No, wait, that was the last guy's voice. You must be TVC, baby. It was I who sent an email to Professor M earlier. Yeah. This is what I want Professor M to examine for me. He's gonna over-explain. A friend of mine who I know for a long time from Ekritique City, which I was also born, gave it to me. I bet you can't find this kind of egg in Johto, or Sinnoh, or Johto, or Kanto. He's the best when it comes to research of Pokemon evolution. That's a quote from the famous Professor Oak. You are returning to Professor M, the professor of the Johto region. M. Here, your Pokemon should have some rest. You know, HP filler. PP up. And with that, Sheen, I'm Professor Oak, Sheen, a Pokemon researcher. So you're TBC, baby, huh? I was just visiting my friend Mr. Pokemon, Sheen, and I heard you were running an errand for the mob, Sheen. So I figured I'd wait around here, Sheen. I'm wondering to see what kind of shoes you had on, and apparently they're running shoes, Sheen. Oh, what's that, Sheen? A rare Pokemon. It is, cause I'm HeartGold in it. And he's only found in Soul Silver. Sheen. You must be helping Professor M research, eh? I think I understand why Professor M gave you that Pokemon, Sheen. You would treat your Pokemon with love and care, seems. You seem to be dependable, Sheen. How would you like to help me out? So here's the latest version of the Pokemon, Sheen. He says C on his own. I ain't gotta add it. You automatically record data on Pokemon you see in a card, eh? It's a high-tech encyclopedia, Sheen. I'd like you to have it. I stuck up the last guy who said he didn't want to take it, Sheen. So you better take it and do the job for me. God, my nose is itching. Go meet me in the kind of Pokemon and complete that Pokedex, Sheen. I'll stay too long, Sheen. I have to get the goldenrod from our usual radio show. TVC, baby, I have a feeling that this is not the last time we'll meet, Sheen. Let's exchange numbers just to be on the safe side. Alright. Take my phone number. Take my phone number. Take my phone number. Take it. Oh, I forgot how he talked already, y'all. I'm forgetting these names. Hello? TBC, baby? It's a disaster. It's just terrible, Sheen. Oh, that's... What should I do? Oh, no. Please get back here now. Well, let's get back here. Come on, top percentage. That's what her name should be, top percent. Come on. Oh, another hoot hoot. Gotta hide that big forehead I got. Leave a comment how big you think the forehead is. Y'all need to hit that subscribe button. A lot of y'all ain't subscribed to the channel. I told y'all we taking these dudes out. They must give special I'm just making that up. I wonder what they give off though. EVs. Man, I need some Pokeballs. I want that spinner rag. That thing was spider bites. Come on. At least they seem easy to pop up. Man. What are you? Yeah, I ran to the grass to grab it because I want smoke for the most part. For the most part, I want the smoke. Let's go see what he got. Now we're ready, y'all. Now we're ready. Now we're ready.
You got a Pokemon at the lab, huh?
Wait, no, hold on.
The Prince of all Rockets?
That's how I want him to sound. I ain't gonna do that though. Hold on. That's a wimp. Oh. That's a Pokemon that's too good for a wimp like you. Well, you're the one who left it there. Don't you get what I'm saying? Well, I too have a good Pokemon. See? I bet he did steal the Chikorita. I'll show you what I mean. Come on. I got the type advantage. But how much is it gonna matter? How much is it gonna matter? Come on. Come on, this is gonna set the stage for the whole run right here, y'all. Comment if y'all think I'm gonna win. Comment anything, clearly. Like it, subscribe. I need it, you guys. You guys are watching, but not hitting that. Huh. You're doing okay for someone so weak. What y'all think? I don't want to use a potion. Come on! Come on! What more could you ask for? What more could you ask for? You couldn't ask for more. I'm gonna be the world's greatest trainer, see? I want everybody to say that. Fuck you. Give it back. That's my trainer card, bitch. Oh no, you saw my name, asshole. Yeah, I did. I sure did see his name. I sure did see his name. But we're no snitch. We ain't no snitch, y'all. But we will run. Aha! We will run.
Mario, we're investigating the case. But Miss Pokemon here. Run, on. Whoever did it will come back to say, oh my, so it must be you, the one who did it. You're under arrest. No evidence.
Hold on a second. Yeah, that had to do with it. I saw it. There's a red-haired boy looking into the building.
What? You battled a boy like that?
I did battle him. I ain't gonna lie about that, officer. I mean, like, I didn't mean to. I dry snitched just now. I didn't mean to say that. I dry snitched.
Did you have anything?
Y'all, we really about to snitch on buddy? I ain't no snitch. I lied. Gave him false information. I'll tell a lie under oath. I will. Give me Sammy. I'm glad you understand you're innocent. See you later. I totally want to fuck, by the way.
TBC baby. This is terrible.
I'm fucking up all the voices.
Oh yes, what was Mr. Pokemon's big discovery?
Yeah, take that egg. I don't want it. Hey, bro, is he new?
Mr. Pokemon is always fascinated by eggs. And sperms. And other things that we don't really like to talk about.
You know, since we're a kid in this game, you know, we can, you know, all the, like a Charlie Brown, right? All the adults sounded like.
Well, since he gave it to us, we might as well find out what secret it holds. I'll keep it for a while to find out about the egg. I'll keep it. What? Professor Oak gave you a Pokedex. TBC baby, is that true? That's incredible. He is superb at seeing the potential of people as trainers.
He did find red, didn't he?
Wow, TBC baby, I knew you were a little different. I knew you was built different. Right when I heard you say you was gonna run the fade over Johto, I knew you was the one. Things are gonna be fun around here, player. Your Pokemon seem to really like you. So why don't you take the Pokemon Gym Challenge?
Alright, I guess. I heard about it in Galar. I know it's popular there.
You managed to defeat all the gym leaders, you eventually challenge the Pokemon League champion. Or not.
Ah, right though, because I can do what I want.
But I can start inserting the challenge Valley City Gym. TBC baby. Challenging the gyms scattered around will be a long journey. Before you leave, make sure that you talk to your mom.
Yeah, I will, buddy. I'll go holler at her. Ah, so you're leaving on an adventure. Finally. Okay, I'll help you get the fuck out of here, too. What can I do for you? What is there to do? Are you packed? I know. Every time you see prize money, I'll say something for you. On a long journey, money's important, young man. And I'll need it. I'll spend it. I'm going to keep it. Yeah, you can keep some. Okay, I'll take care of spending your money. Get the fuck out of here, please. I want to have fun. I want to have work nights with my friends. Go change your clothes first. Alright, bro. Fine. Fine, I'll change my clothes first. I will change my clothes first. I changed clothes. This looks more appropriate, y'all. This looks just a little bit more appropriate to me. I'm feeling it. I am feeling it. My bad. Look at that. This ain't a bug catcher mono type thing. Oh, you look great. Get the fuck out of my house, please. Ready to drink wine with my friends. I'm feeling the swag. Here we go. There you are. You're so nice with your hat on. You can catch wild Pokemon with Pokeballs. Yeah, let's get it. Please. Show me. Really? Was I too fast? I'll take my time in the bedroom. That's what she's saying right now. No, go slow. See? That's what I did. So you're talking to me more than I did. Or make you sleep or something. I watch you when you sleep. You know, I probably shouldn't have said it out loud. You can try all kinds of things to see what works. I'll give you these. Good luck. For at least forget I said that thing about you sleeping. See you. While you're sleeping. Alright, where's that spinner at? Oh, shit. Maybe not make him run, huh? Come on, we gotta find a spinner rack before we end up. I keep forgetting to heal. I keep forgetting to heal. Like I said, this is not an all bug team, but we're getting spinner rack for now. If I can find Buddy. Is he only found on Route 30? I feel like he is. I feel like he's only found on Route 30. I know I've seen one here at least. I want a box, bro. Well, I'm not. I'll get you another time. We got more important things to do. There we go. There we go. Yeah, slow me down. That's alright. We ain't going nowhere. Beautiful. That's exactly what Lyra did, right? Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Call me Easy Money Sniper. It lies still in the same pose for days in its web, waiting for its unsuspecting prey to wander loose. Yeah, we're nicknaming you. Shit. Where's the R? Aha! I see it. A spider bites. Ah. Wait a minute. Oh, shit. I wanted to be spider bites. Wait. Alright, hold on, y'all. Here we go. What if I did like this? Right? Y'all feeling it? Where's the S? Dang, I can't spell. Yeah, we know what it means. It's abbreviated. Alright, y'all. Shit. Come on, moonwalking in this bitch. Let's heal up. Let's heal up. check these natures out real quick. See what everybody got going on. Bray. That's perfect. Man. Early bird is... Do I got Iron Fist Lady in? Plus attack? Come on. Come on. Plus speed. Man. Alright. Alright. Spider Bites is that guy. We're about to get it in. Alright, y'all. This is probably where we end the video. We'll take on Route 30 in the next episode. Y'all leave a comment on what we should name this ladybug here. I have no idea. I have no idea. I appreciate everyone for watching. You busters better subscribe. And hit the notification bell. And keep it all the way up.